For compound interest, we use the formula A equal P, open brackets 1 plus R over 100 to the power of N, or A equal P, 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power of N. Here, we know that A is the total sum of money earned or paid at the end of the transaction. P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate, N is equal to number of years the principal compounded for, and 1 is equal to 1 year. In this question, they're asking us to calculate the compound interest earned on the sum of $1,000 at a rate of 10% per annum over a period of 3 years. So when we use our values, our principal is $1,000, our rate is 10%, the number of years is 3, and we plug in these values into our formula, we get 1,000 multiplied by, and I forgot to put the multiplication, multiplied by 1 plus 10 divided by 100 to the power of 3, because it's 3 years. So our total amount that we get plus interest is $1,331 after 3 years. However, we want only the compound interest. So the total compound interest would be 1,331 minus 1,000. So we are going to take the compounded interest minus the total interest, the total amount, subtract the principal to get our total compound interest, which is $331. Any questions?
So where the 3 is by the 100, by the 3 years, right?
Yes.
So 1,000 multiplied by 1 year, add 10, and then divided by 100.
Now remember the reason why this 10 divided by is in brackets is because this is 10 divided by 100. This is a simpler way of writing it in this form here.
So it's P multiplied by rate multiplied by
so
time.
It's P multiply P and open brackets 1 plus rate over 100 or rate divided by 100 close brackets to the power of 3, which is the number of years that it was compounding for. Any questions?
So how we working out that 3?
We get the 3 from the question here. This is 3 years. It means that everything that is in this bracket here is multiplied by itself 3 times.
Okay.
Right. What I will do is that I will create a screen record, because the link to the calculator I showed you on your app that I shared with you for you to download, that is also on my tablet. So what I will do is that when we come back from the break, I will do a screen record to show you how to calculate this on the calculator and send it to you on WhatsApp. All right. Any questions again?
Nah. When we do the calculation on the calendar and the calculator, I may understand a little clearer.
All right then, good. So we have now it's 1:58. We will come back in 10 minutes time.
Okay.